Good morning students. Today we have to start our NCERT exercise as we have done up to 15 questions. Now the 16th question is, what is the highest and lowest resistance can be secured by the combinations of 4 coil, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm resistors. It means this is the R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4. You have to be evaluated when will be the higher resistance. It means the higher resistance that will be come out when they have to be connected in series. 1 R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, that will become the equivalent resistance, and that would be the highest resistance. Now the lowest resistance that will be the come out by parallel combinations, that is equivalent to 1 upon R1 plus R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. And you have to be evaluated by putting the value of R1 4 ohm, R2 8 ohm, R3 12 ohm, 24 ohm and so on. You will get the answer over there. Why does, next question is, why does the connecting cord of an electric heater not glowing while the heating element does? Because that very cord of electric heater, that will having the less resistance than as compared to the resistance of heating elements. That will be the answer of that very question. Now the next question is, compute the heat generated while transferring 9600 coulombs of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference 50 volt. Here you have to be evaluated heat, and for heat we have to be have the relationship over here where the value of charge in times, that is to be given H, that is also equivalent to V into I into T, and that I is equivalent to Q upon T. By putting the value of that over there, then H, that is equivalent to V into Q, and by putting the value of V and Q over here, you will get the heat and your answer will be in terms of joule, and on putting that very value over there, you will get the answer over there. Now next one is, an electric iron of resistance 20 ohms take a current 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Here again you have to be evaluated. This is the Joule's law heating, and here the relationship that is to be given for R is to be given, I is to be given, T is to be given, and we have the relationship at I square RT. You will put the value of all that over here, and no need to convert the unit. Time is already in second, current is already in ampere, and resistance is in ohm. You will put all that value over here and your answer will be come out in terms of joule. Now what are the advantage of connecting electric device in parallel with a battery instead of connecting them in series? And the second question that can be come in the exam form, what are the two advantage when the electrical device they have to be connected in parallel? Or in question that can also to be come in that very form, in household electric circuit different appliances they have to be connected in parallel, because in our home the fitting that is going to be occur in parallel manners. You have to be given the two reason over there, and why. Next question that can also to become in the same form, why the parallel arrangement is used in domestic, why we have to be use the parallel combination. The first one is, in parallel different current that will be flowing across each resistors, that is a one advantage. Next one is, अगर एक सिस्टम में आपका करंट फ्लो करना बंद कर जाए तो दूसरे सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली वहीं से बंद नहीं होंगे, दे विल बी कंटिन्यूसली फ्लो इन दैट वेरी manner without any affected. Now here the potential difference that is going to be remain same and the current will be vary. That is the main advantage of that. Next question is, how can the three resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm they have to be connected if the total resistance come out 4 ohm and 1 ohm? How they have to be connected? Firstly, the 4 ohm that can to be evaluated when this 2 ohm and this 3 ohm, these three resistors we have to be make their combinations in that very way. We have to be arranged in series or parallel, so that firstly it will be evaluated 4 ohm total resistance, and the next case it would be evaluated 1 ohm, and in that very case that arrangement can be formed if 2 ohm resistors that is in series where the 3 ohm and 6 ohm, they are in parallel. Firstly, we have to be evaluated their parallel resultant and their resultant, then we have to be taken it in series, and then the answer will be in 4 ohm resistance. And how it is to be, we have to be evaluated over here. We will take the here the equivalent resistance of 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and the answer will become 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 because we have to find out the value of R over here. We will take the reciprocal of this, and this will become 2 ohm, because this is a major mistake which the students, they have to be done over there. They will take their value 1 by 2 as it is, and that's why they cannot to find out the value of there, and the answer will be of this will become, this answer will become the 2 ohm, and this is again 2 ohm, then 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, that answer will become the 4 ohm. Now next combination is all. If all the 2 ohm resistance, 3 ohm resistance and 6 ohm resistance, all they are connected parallelly, then the answer, we will take the LCM of all that, and the answer will again become the 1 ohm. Next question is, what determines the rate at which the energy is derived by an electric current? The electric power, the answer will be electric power that determines the rate at which the energy is to be delivered by electric current. The answer will be power. Next question is, an electric motor that takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. It means electric motor है जो 5 ampere current draw कर रही है, when source of voltage is to be given, potential difference is to be given 220 volt, you have to determine the power over here. Simply we will know our relationship V into I, for which we can find out the power over here, and energy consumed in 2 hours. It means firstly you have to be evaluated, and that जो power आएगी आपके पास वो in terms of watt आएगी, and watt into आप R साथ में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू बी कन्वर्ट दैट वेरी वॉट इनटू द किलो वॉट, एंड देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर ओवर देयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर चैप्टर एंड एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज योर NCERT exercise that we have to be done in our next video. Thank you till now.